Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Part 4. In this part, we will see Chapter 17 to Chapter 20 and Section 303 to 358. 303 to 358. So, Chapter 17, Offenses against Property. Theft. Section 303, Theft. 304, Snatching. 305, Theft in a dwelling house or means of transportation or place of worship, etc. 306, theft by clerk or servant of property in possession of master. Section 307, theft after preparation made for causing death, hurt, or restraint in order to committing of theft. Extortion. Section 308 is related to extortion. Then robbery and dacoity. Section 309, robbery. Section 310, dacoity. 311, robbery or dacoity with attempt to cause death or grievous hurt. 312, attempt to commit robbery or dacoity when armed with deadly weapon. 313, punishment for belonging to gang of robbers, etc. Criminal misappropriation of property. Section 314, dishonest misappropriation of property. 315, dishonest misappropriation of property possessed by deceased person at the time of his death. Criminal breach of trust. Section 116, criminal breach of trust. Receiving stolen property. Section 317, stolen property. 317, stolen property. Then sections related to cheating. Section 318, cheating. 319, cheating by personation. Fraudulent deed and dispositions of property. Section 320, dishonest or fraudulent removal or concealment of property to prevent distribution among the creditors. 321, dishonestly or fraudulently preventing debt being available for creditors. 322, dishonest or fraudulent execution of deed of transfer containing false statement of consideration. 323, dishonest or fraudulent removal or concealment of property. Now sections related to mischief. Section 324, mischief. 325, mischief by killing or maiming animal. 326, mischief by injury, inundation, fire or explosive substance, etc. Inundation. Section 327, mischief with intent to destroy or make unsafe a rail, aircraft, decked vessel, or one of the 20 tons burdens. 328, punishment for intentionally running vessel around or ashore with intent to commit theft, etc. Now section related to criminal trespass. Section 329, criminal trespass and house trespass. 330, house trespass or house e-breaking. Section 331, punishment for house trespass or house breaking. Section 332, house trespass in order to commit offense. 333, house trespass after preparation for hurt, assault, or wrongful restraint. Section 334, dishonestly breaking open receptacle containing property. Now, chapter 18, offenses related to document and to property, marks, etc. Section 335, making a false document. Section 336, forgery. Section 337, forgery of record of court or of public registered, etc. 338, forgery of valuable security, will, etc. 339, having possession of document described in section 337 or section 338, knowing it to be forged or intending to use it as a genuine. Section 340, forged document or electronic record and using it as genuine. 341, making or possessing counterfeit, sale, etc. with intent to commit forgery, punishable under section 338. Section 342, counterfeiting device or mark used for authenticating documents described in section 338 or possessing counterfeit marked material. Section 343, fraudulent cancellation, destruction, etc. of will, authority to adopt or valuable security. Section 344, falsification of accounts. Now sections related to property marks. Section 345, property marks. Section 346, tampering with property marks with intent to cause injury. Section 347, counterfeiting a property mark. Section 348, making or possessing of any instrument for counterfeiting a property mark. Section 349, selling goods marked with a counterfeit property mark. Section 350, making a false marks upon any receptacle containing goods. Chapter now 29. Sorry, 19. Chapter 19. Total 20 chapters are there, no 29. In BNS, total chapter are 20 and sections are 358. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Chapter 19. Criminal, intimidation, insult, annoyance, defamation, etc. Section 351, criminal intimidation. Section 352, intentional insult with intent to provoke breach of peace. Section 353, statement conducting to public mischief. Section 354, act caused by inducing person to believe that he will be rendered an object of divine displeasure. Section 355, misconduct in public by a drunken person. Then sections related to defamation. Section 356, defamation. Then section related to breach of contract to attend on and supply want of helpless person. Section 357, breach of contract to attend on and supply wants of helpless person. Chapter 20, repeal and savings. Section 358, repeal and savings. Here is the end of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Friends, this is just section-wise content for rememorization process. for advocates, law student, and the persons who is giving judicial examinations and other examinations. So while you are doing your exercise, while you are walking, while you are traveling, while you are driving, you can hear this part again and again, so that you can remember, you can comes to know in under which section, which provisions are there. But in future, after completing 10, 15, 20, 30 important acts like section-wise content, then I will elaborate all these acts in separate sequence. For example, BNS, then BNS, then general exceptions we'll see separately with case laws, then offenses related to woman and child, rape, etc. we'll see in details with their sections, with their judgment, important leading judgment also. So we will complete IPC, important topic wise. Then we will see the IPC means BNS, and then we'll see BNSS. So after that, we will see the BNSS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So in 4 parts, we will complete BNSS. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.